The city looks beautiful in the rain, but inside these houses, water is a killer. It creeps, it hides, it waits for the right moment to rot your home from the inside out. Water damage is a quiet crime. They call it grout. I call it the silent killer. A million microscopic pores, trapping water and soap scum. By the time you see the mold, the betrayal has already happened. It's the silent killer in your walls, starting with porous surfaces and leading to hidden infections. Then there's fiberglass, the glass jaw of modern construction. They install it cheap, it flexes under your feet, and one day, it cracks. This flimsy standard acrylic leads to stress cracks and subfloor water damage. The maintenance trap is a rigged game. Water and scum enter the pores you scrub with harsh chemicals for a temporary visual fix, but the mold deep roots and returns. You can't wash away a fundamental flaw. You don't need a mop, you need armor. Enter the Onyx Collection. It's 100% grout-free with a non-porous surface, engineered for permanence in a world of temporary fixes. This is heavy-duty armor for your home, with lifetime durability. This is the Science of Permanence. It's a solid surface composite, alumina trihydrate fused with a special polyester resin. It provides a 100% grout-free, impermeable seal. No microscopic pores, no entry, no crime. Let's put the usual suspects in a lineup. Traditional tile and fiberglass fail. Onyx is the untouchable survivor. It has zero threat level porosity, rigid structural integrity, and can be installed fast. Permanence doesn't have to look industrial. The Onyx Collection wears a disguise. It comes in over 60 colors and various styles. It looks like high-end art, but acts like Kevlar, with custom poured features and multiple base sizes. A weapon is only as good as the hand that wields it. Enter R&R Plumbing and Remodeling, a veteran-owned and operated local enterprise. We are licensed, insured, and surgically precise, with total plumbing system capability. We offer the 48-hour hit, precision and speed. Day 1 is precision demolition, surgically clean. Day 2 is custom installation of pre-molded Onyx panels and heavy-duty bases. Ready to use, leak-free. We are in and out before the dust settles. This is our town. From El Dorado to Bolivar, we've left our mark. We bring a legacy of service to Southwest Missouri, protecting our own. We serve over 5 counties with over 100 successful jobs. The evidence speaks for itself. Every job is a closed case. No leaks, no mold, no compromises. Case is closed in El Dorado, Nevada, and Cedar County, proving the quality of the Onyx Collection. The final verdict on your bathroom: yes, guaranteed forever. This is the Onyx Collection Lifetime Guarantee, backed by R&R's master craftsmanship. You want peace of mind? This is the last shower you will ever buy. Period. Don't wait on hidden mold or a cracked base. Stop living with the rot. Bring in the professionals today. Call now for fast, transparent quotes and same-week scheduling. The phone is right there. It's your move.